My name is Karun Kaushik. I am your technical expert advisor. Today I welcome you in Eastman Techno Expert session. Today we will talk about how to replace the communication board. When it is confirmed that the communication board is faulty or need replacement due to some reasons such as LED indicator are not working, battery reset switch is faulty, problems while paralleling batteries, communication issue between inverter and battery, fault in CAN or RS485 communication port, fault in parallel ports. Once it is confirmed that the problem is related to communication board, replacement become necessary. First of all, switch off the battery completely. Using an electric screwdriver, open all the mounting screws of the battery bottom plate. After removing the screws, carefully put out the bottom plate on which the communication board is mounted. Remove the communication board. The communication board is clearly visible now. Remove all the FRC cables connected to the communication board. Using an electric screwdriver, remove the mounting screws of the communication board. Install the new communication board. Now mount the new communication board in the same position. Tighten all the mounting screws properly. Reconnect all the FRC cables carefully to the new board. Once all the connections are done, place the bottom plate back to its position. Fix it properly using mounting screws. Ensure everything is properly tightened and secured. For final check, switch on the battery and verify that LED indicators are working. Inverter and battery communication is normal. Parallel operation is functioning correctly. If everything is okay, your communication board has been replaced successfully. Thanks a lot for staying with us till the end of this video. Hope the information I shared will be helpful to you. Please like, share and subscribe for more such videos.
Eastman.